Right. Now that the product page setup is complete, let's move on to the collection page. Minimog offers templates for collection pages too. But let's start with the default collection. This is a basic collection page, which is showing our bestsellers collection. We have dozens of filter options in the page, which will make it easy for the customers to navigate through each product. Of course, we can add more sections to this page if we want to. For example, we can add a banner at the top. We only need to upload a banner image here, and then select the collection here. And the banner will appear in that collection. Of course, I don't have any good banner for this collection, so I will remove this one. Another cool section for the collection is the countdown timer. You can set the countdown timer at the top of the page. This is really effective if you are running a limited time discount. We only need to enter a future date here, and the timer will start working. Last but not least, I recommend you to add some testimonials to this page, as it will help you build trust with your customers. And once you customize these sections, hit the Save button. And with this step, our collection page is also complete. We have designed the store homepage, product page, and collection pages too. If you go to the drop-down, you will see some other pages too. But most of these pages are already customized. You only need to visit those pages once and check if there is any changes needed or not. Make sure that every section is working smoothly and all the buttons are working perfectly. Preview the store design in the mobile view. By the way, one thing that I haven't shown you yet is the store's mega menu. Mega menus are a great way to list all of your products and collections in a single menu. This will make the store navigation much easier for your customers. But before we do that, we'll need to create and structure our menu. If you look at the current menu of our store, you'll see that we only have 3 options on the menu. But the Minimog theme allows us to create advanced mega menus. Here's an example of an advanced mega menu. This simple-looking mega menu has 3 levels. First up is the main menu, which contains Home, About Us, Project, Services, and Solutions options. Under Solution, we have the mega menu, which contains 4 categories. This is the second level of the menu. Lastly, we have 5 subcategories under each category. This is the third level of the menu. I will show you how to create a similar mega menu like this. Alright, now that everything is clear, let's go back to the dashboard. Next, I will exit this store editor. To create a mega menu, click on this navigation option on the left. This will show us all the menus. As you can see, we have a main menu, a footer menu, and a menu for customers. I will go to this main menu for now. Here, we have 3 options now. I will click on this Add Menu item and then add a new option called Collections. I will set up the mega menu under the Collection tab. Next, I will add 2 more menu items to show our store collections. I have created 2 menu items named as Bestsellers and New Arrivals. Now, I will simply place these menu items under the Collections options. And now, these 2 items will show under the Collections option. This is the second level of the menu. Next, we also need to create a third level of the menu. Since this is just a tutorial, I will quickly add some dummy content and link them with the home page. And then I will place them as the third level of menu. I know this might seem a bit confusing in this video. Well, I have recently created another video where I have explained everything related to Shopify menus. I recommend you to watch that video, as it will help you understand this part in a much better way. For now, just keep in mind that I've created a menu which is similar to this example menu. Next, I will hit the Save button to save this menu. Next, I will go to Online Store option and then click on this Customize button. This will take us to the Shopify editor. Here, if you look at the menu, you'll see that the menu items are updated here. To keep it more attractive, we need to click on this header option on the left, and then click on Add Block option. Here, you'll see multiple mega menu options. You can choose any of these options for your mega menu. Let's select the Product List mega menu, for example. This will allow us to showcase our products or collections right inside the menu. On the right side, you only need to type the menu item name. Let's say that I want to show my products under the Home option. So, I will type Home in this section, and then I will add my bestsellers collection here. Now, if I hover over the Home option, you'll see that it is showing the products right in the menu. Right now, it is showing 2 products at a time. But you can increase or decrease this number from the right setting. If I set this number to 4 and then go to the Home option, you'll see that now it is showing 4 products at once.